Stop, buddy. Buddy, stop. Wait for me, bud. Top of the morning to you. Oh. Let's see what's going on up here. It's definitely brighter today than it was yesterday. That's a good sign. We're done with the snow. We had about that much last night, which is not much. Got a shovel, a camera. There's Buddy's dog print. All right. It's true, don't eat that yellow snow. All right, now we have a little snow here. I had this deck cleared last night. We got some frost on the windows, so nothing major. Leave the shovel here for now. Free up a hand. All right. We cool. Now we got some meltage going here for sure. All right. It's way saggier than it was yesterday. Might be heavy, but it's going to be nice and slushy. Let's go out here and take a look, bud. Go. Here comes a big. Okay. Okay, bud. All right. Checking the weather, I see there's a bunch of rain coming. I'm guessing this is going to be our last snow. Famous last words. But we have the tropical thing coming back next week, and it's going to be heavy rains probably in a couple days. These guys all have their eyes on the road. What do you think, buddy? Buddy's ready to get out there. Thank you. That guy gave us a nice wave. Since the neighbor's got all his dug out, he threw his across the street. He's lived here a long time. It's one of the problems they're having. There's nowhere to put the snow. The big loaders are driving by here and they're full of snow. I guess they're dumping it somewhere. All right. Said it's about 32. It feels like about 20. Here comes the sheriff. Hey, hey.
How you doing, sir?
Hanging in there, man. How about you?
Is this your path in?
I did that, man.
Wow.
About 15 hours, 3 days.
You okay?
I'm okay, man. I got some, hopefully they get them through at 11 o'clock. They're going to drop off some food for me, some friends.
You need some food?
Yeah, but I don't know if you got any with you, but yeah. Cool, man. And I'm down to...
We got you, man. We got some MREs, all right?
yes, sir. I'm filming you. Do you mind?
What's up, buddy?
I'm filming. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Sweetness.
That's right.
That's Buddy right there.
Hey, buddy. What's your address, sir?
It's 23530 Lake Drive, Unit 1. There's another couple downstairs. They seem to be okay, and the other people left Friday before the storm. So we're good.
What's your name, sir?
Keith McDuff.
Keith.
MCDUF. First name's actually Daniel. I go by Keith, my middle name.
Okay.
Sweet. Thank you, sir. Awesome. Love you guys.
You too.
All right, man. All right. Take care. Thanks. We will. Come on, buddy. Let's get back in. Come on. Love you guys.
Good one, sir.
Thank you so much. We good.
Oh, you dropped one.
I got you.
Hey,
We
be
good.
careful, sir.
All right, we're Crestline strong, babe. Let's go.
Call us if you need anything, right?
Yeah. Take care. Come on, bud. Get in the street. Thanks for waiting. Thank you. You scored, bud. Thank you. Thank you. I came out at the right time. All right. Let's come back here, buddy. That's everybody's the Orange County Fire. Orange County's in the house. Well, I hope these aren't famous last words, but I think we're over the hump. Things are definitely looking up. That's like the Orange County Brigade there. All right, buddy, let's come back here real quick and we'll see what food we got over here. Come on, buddy. Turn around. Buddy, sit. Stay. Sit. Stay there. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Meal's ready to eat. Sweet. All right, what do we got? Sweetness. All right, what do we got here? Nowhere to put it down. We'll just look at it on the ground here. It's all packaged up. Vegetarian taco pasta. Got some tea, crackers. What do we got here? Some more tea, crackers. I'm not sure what's in this brown thing, but that seems to be good. What are you thinking, bud? Yeah. I got some all kinds of stuff here. Sweet. This is like food for days. All right. Ah, sunshine. All right. That's your morning update from Crestline. Like I say, I think we've turned the corner and we're ready to pull through here. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. I'll check back in with you guys in a little while. I might have some people coming here to, if they can get through, they got a snowblower. And there's an open area over here. That's the only place I can think to blow snow, so they're probably going to park at the top of the town up there if they get in. And if say they get through the roadblock, I'm going to try to open up a little bit more area back here to get their equipment in here. There's supposed to be some snow removal people coming too, and I'm sure they're really busy and the roads are blocked and it's hard. Everybody wants to help, but nobody's been able to. Great, stray dogs. And maybe they're not stray. Buddies saw that. New friends, buddy? Huh? Buddy is very social. All right, we're at the 10-minute mark. If you go over 8 minutes on YouTube, they put a couple extra commercials in there, so you'll help me make a couple extra bucks if you watch the whole thing. We'd appreciate it. Uh-oh, here comes those doggies. I gotta get out of here. I don't want no dog fights. Buddy says, no. No. They're gonna come down here. I don't want no situations, buddy. Should I give all 3 dogs a meal ready to eat? I probably would do that, actually. I got enough food for a couple days. I'm going to give them the old hot dogs in the refrigerator, though. I'm going to eat the MREs. I think they live there, buddy. I just hear those dogs barking. I think they actually live across the street over here. All right, once again, we're going to sign off. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back out there soon. And it's going to be a beautiful springtime and an amazing summer up here. I'd rather live with a few hardships than live a dull life. So it's all good. Make you feel alive. All right, buddy, I got to get you out of the street. Well, there's a tractor coming. Come on. Come on. They're not dumb dogs. Thank you. That's probably their owner there. Yeah, it's those people. All right, remember, we're Crestline, Mountain Community Strong. Real fans, Cajon Pass. Love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Everybody's definitely in a better mood today.